Crafty Kids! In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to make a paper stretchable moving snake. So this is a very easy way of making a paper snake and it's useful too. So as I said, this snake is stretchable. So as you guys can see, it can be stretched very well like this since it's made of springs. And it also moves, so you can just move it like this using your fingers. So now without any further delay, let's get started and we'll be seeing how to make this beautiful and cute snake. So you guys can make it in any size you like. I just made it in a bigger size. You guys can make it in an even smaller size if you like. So for this activity, we need 4 strips of paper. So I'm going to be taking 2 dark blue and 2 light blue. So you guys can take any color paper you like, but please make sure that 2 are same in color and the other 2 are different in color. So now I'm just going to be taking a glue bottle and I'm going to be applying some glue on the top part of one paper, and I'm going to be sticking the other color, same paper on top of it like this. Now I'm going to be repeating the same step onto the other light blue paper as well. So this one almost looks like white, and I'm just going to be sticking the other part over here as well. So after we complete this, we just have to give it some time to dry because it takes a lot of time to dry. So please do not use a glue stick. I prefer you guys use a glue bottle since it's more easier to stick. Now I'm just going to be keeping this paper. I'm going to be making it come to the bottom now. And now I'm just going to be applying some glue at the top part of the paper over here. Now I'm just going to be taking this paper and I'm sticking it this way like a plus sign over here, and I'm going to be sticking it on top. So now we can close the glue bottle, and next I'm just going to be taking this bottom part and I'm going to be overlapping it on top of here, and I'm going to be taking this part and you're supposed to be overlapping it on top of this. So you guys can do the overlapping first and at last you could stick the paper at the bottom part, but this is a more easier way because after if you do that and if the paper comes out, it will be a disaster. So we are supposed to be repeating the same step. So I'm just going to be taking this part and I'm going to be folding it on top of this one here, and I'm going to be taking this part and I'm going to be stowing it on top of this one. So this will definitely take a lot of time. So if you guys do it with a smaller piece of paper, you could finish it fast. But since I'm taking 2 long pieces of paper to make the snake look more realistic and big, it will take me some time. So you guys can do it slowly and you can even pause the video to do it. Or if you already completed doing this, you could fast forward the video if you like. So please wait until I complete doing this. So just a gentle reminder, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you'll receive a notification whenever I upload a video. So also share it to all your friends and family members. And keep continuing to watch my channel videos for more interesting videos like this. So I'm just going to be folding it until all the paper is over. So I just took light blue and dark blue so it will look like a combination. So if you guys want, you could take green and blue or purple and pink or any color you like. But please make sure that the 2 pieces are nice and long so that the snake will be nice and big and will look realistic. So only have a little bit more. So please fold it properly or the pieces will come out. So as you guys see, we've done this much and we only have this much to do. So I'm just going to be doing it slowly like this over here. So now after we complete this, I'm just going to be taking the glue bottle again and I'm going to be applying some glue at the top portion of the paper. I'm going to be sticking this part over here onto the top part. Now I'm just going to be sticking it nicely and I'm going to be opening it slowly like this. So as you guys see, as I open it, to be nice and big like this. So this one is much bigger in size, but this one's a little bit smaller. So you guys can do it in any size you prefer. So now the body of our snake is ready. The next is that we're supposed to be making its face, its tongue and its bottom tail part. So first we'll be making its face. So for this I'm just going to be taking a small blue color paper. I'm just going to be taking a black pen. You guys can take a pencil or anything you'd like. Now I'm just going to be drawing a line over here. So I'll show it to you guys. So after we draw a line, I'm just going to be drawing a curved line coming to the bottom. And I'm just going to be turning it over. And I'm making it come to the top like this. And I'm turning it back. So now I'm just going to be drawing 2 dots over here just for the snake. And I'm just going to be drawing 2 eyes over here as well. So you guys can do any eye pattern for the snake. I'm just going to make it look spooky. I'm just going to be drawing one small dot over here, another dot over here, and one more on the bottom and one more on the top. And now I'm just going to be coloring in the remaining parts over here slowly like this. So you guys can do this slowly, and you can watch more eye patterns on YouTube or any other app, and you could draw this easily. So after we complete this, I'm just going to be closing this pen, and I'm going to be taking a scissor and I'm going to be cutting this out. So please cut it slowly like this. So if you're a small child, please be in the supervision of an adult so that you don't cut your fingers. So I'm cutting it out slowly, so go according to the lines. And now after we complete this, I'm just going to be keeping this aside, and I'm going to be taking a red piece of paper. So I'm taking a dark red, and I'm just going to be drawing one line over here, and I'm just going to be drawing one more line, and I'm going to be drawing one line go up and down and to the top. So this is for the mouth, like the tongue, the venomous tongue for the snake. And I'm just going to be closing the pen again, and I'm just going to be cutting this part out slowly. So you guys can make it in a much bigger size, or you can even make it in a smaller size according to the size of your snake. So I'm just going to be cutting it a little bit more bigger than the size I cut it out on the pen mark, and I'm just going to be cutting it over here as well. So please do this slowly and not do it in a hurry. Now I'm just going to be applying some glue on the back part of the paper over here. After that, I'm just going to be turning this paper, and I'm sticking this over here. So if you guys have a lot of space, then if you don't have a lot of space, you can just stick this on the back part. I'm just going to be sticking onto the front. Now I'm just going to be taking this snake, and I'm going to be applying some glue onto the back part of the snake over here. So please do this slowly like this. So now I'm just going to be sticking this part over to the snake over here. So we just have to do this slowly. I'm just going to be making it a little bit backwards like this, and I'm sticking it onto it. So now last part is that we're supposed to be making the tail. So I'm not going to be, if you guys want, you can just take a pencil and draw the outline. I'm just going to be cutting out a line, and I'm going to be drawing a curved part over here, and I'm cutting it out like this. Now I'm just going to be folding the paper a little bit at the top part, and after we open it, I'm just going to be applying some glue onto the folded part over here, the small portion like this. Now I'm closing the glue bottle, and I'm just going to be sticking this part onto this portion over here. So the portion that's remaining like this. This is for the tail, so you guys can use any color, anything you want to design it with. You can even sprinkle some gems, or you can even put some powder or any glittery glue, and you can even put glitter glue or anything you like, or glitter sparkles. It's your wish. You guys can decorate this, and you can make it in a bigger size. So as I said, it's a beautiful snake, and it's also stretchable, and it can be moving like this. Also, it's easily moved. So after we complete this, our paper stretchable moving snake is ready. So you guys can use this to scale little children if they're really small, and you can also use this as a paper craft, and you can hang it on a wall, and you can do many things with this. You can also give it to someone as a birthday gift or any other gift if they like playing with snakes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. Thank you for watching. Bye.